Hi everyone, good morning. How are you? Hope all are fine. Shall we start today's topic? Plants around us. We see many kinds of plants around us. All plants are living things. They are different sizes. They may be big or small, tall or short, strong or weak, and some plants live for many years while some live only for few days. Plants have different pots. The pot of the plant which grows above the soil is called shoot system. The pot of the plant which grows below the soil is called root system. Shoot system includes buds, flowers, stem, leaf, fruit, whereas root system includes roots. The pot of a plant which is below the surface of the earth is called root. Roots are of two types. They are taproot and fibrous root. One is taproot and second one is fibrous root. Okay. Taproot and fibrous root. Taproot. A taproot is a thick single root that grow vertically down into the ground and give out branches on all the side. These branches are called lateral or side roots. The taproot itself is a quite thick, but its branches are much thinner. Carrot, pea, beans and mango plant have a taproot system. Fibrous root. Fibrous roots consist of many thin fiber-like roots or similar size which branches out from the base of the stem. Grass, wheat, maize, coconut, banana and millets plants have fibrous roots. Onion. Function of roots. Roots play a very important role in the growth of plants. We see rope-like structures hanging down from its big branches. These hanging structures are special type of roots. They root themselves into the soil and act like pillars and support the heavy branches of the banyan tree. These roots are prop roots, provide additional support to the big banyan tree. Trees are useful. Trees are homes to many animals. Trees gives us food. Trees that grow along roadside absorb sound and reduce noise pollution. Trees purify the air by taking in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen. Trees give shadow and absorb heat from the surroundings. Who do trees belong to? Plants that are grown by people in their surroundings are called domestic plants. They are looked after by the people themselves or by the municipal corporation or village panchayat of that area. Some plants and trees grow on their own. These plants are called wild plants. Wild plants are useful as we use their flowers, seeds, leaves and bugs. Some wild plants are unwanted. Do not let the useful plants grow. Such plants are known as weeds. These weeds should be pulled out regularly. Wild plants usually grow in forest. Forest belongs to the government of our country. Tribal people known as Adivasa lived in forest. They depend on wild plants for almost everything. They make their homes from bamboos, dry leaves. Taking care of trees. We must take care of trees around us. We must not allow anyone to cut trees. We must water the plants regularly, add manure to the soil. Andhra people celebrate a festival known as Vana Mahotsavam. Vana Mahotsavam is a festival of trees. Trees are planted in large number on this day. Most of the schools celebrate this festival. Besides planting trees, several competitions like drawing, debate, discussion, and lecture on the importance of trees in our lives are conducted on this day. Hope all of you understood this topic. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, everyone.